Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking into an incident in Pacific Beach involving an off-duty San Diego police officer, Ryan Blouin, who reported his car stolen and crashed, only for investigators to uncover a very different story.
Yeah, there's a homeless guy right there. He said he saw them run off into 7-Eleven right there.
They're running towards 7-Eleven. They ran in that direction.
What were they wearing? Oh, hey, buddy.
Hey, how are ya?
What were they wearing?
Jeans, nice suede, tan, shoes,
Uh-huh.
a nice button-down shirt. They were dressed nice.
What description of the person? Skin color?
White.
Gender? Male or female?
Oh, male. And I would say mid-20s.
Okay. And you, what'd you say the shirt was?
It was like a button-down shirt, you know, a nice one. I didn't get all the description because they were running.
How
so
long ago
fast.
did they take off?
About 5 minutes ago.
Okay.
What color is the shirt?
What?
I don't know. I just know.
They were wearing like tan shoes, jeans, and a button-down shirt.
Okay. Hey.
I called dispatch. This is my phone.
Oh, this is your car? Okay, do you have your ID on you? Just so I can jot all your info. Okay, so what happened here? When did you see your car last?
I was at Moonshine Beach. I was literally finishing up final call, and I left my phone and my key on one of the barrels. And I came back and I heard the loud exhaust, because I have an aftermarket exhaust on it. And I literally saw it take off down Garnet.
Okay, and how long ago was this? It's like 2 a.m. right now.
I would say about maybe 15 minutes ago.
15 minutes ago. Did you see who took your keys, who went in the car, description of any of this?
I don't know who took it, honestly.
Okay.
I was dancing with a girl, and somebody took my... I don't know who did it, but somebody took my keys.
Okay. So I want you to go in there and see. Just let me know what's yours and let me know what's not yours first and foremost.
If you don't mind killing the engine too.
Oh yeah.
I don't have the key.
Is it not in there?
Well, it's right there.
Okay.
You were at Moonshine when this happened?
Yes.
Is he going to Moonshine right now?
Yeah, he was at.
Yeah.
No, he was circling the block.
I'm going to go over there then, see if we can
Okay.
get footage.
Okay. Yep. Alrighty. So here's what I'm gonna do. Don't touch the steering wheel or the shifter.
What did he look like?
They were just like, they look like college students.
There was more than one?
But dressed really nice, and they smashed into the car.
Okay, let me ask you really quick. In terms of how they looked, you'd say like 20 years old?
I would say mid-20s.
Okay. And there was more than one person?
There were two.
2 people.
Yeah.
Okay. Were they white?
They were white.
Both of them were white?
Yes.
Both of them male?
No. I would say no more than 175 pounds.
Both of them?
Yeah. And it was really weird because the one guy got out and ran, and then the other guy got out and checked the back door, and it was smoking, and then he ran.
Did you hear either of them use any names?
I didn't hear anything.
Okay.
Yeah,
Is
it
it
was just the stress of the
They're
moment.
not there?
Nah, 7-Eleven didn't see him coming in.
Was it your car? Oh, where's the driver? This guy found
Where were you? Sorry, really quick. Where were you sitting? Like, where were you in Moonshine?
I was dancing with a lady in Moonshine Beach.
Where were your
at
keys?
closing call. They were on a bar stool.
Okay. Which are the outside bar on the
No,
patio or the
no,
inside bar?
the inside.
Which side, left or right?
On the left, past the, where you go in, you go past the vents basically, and it's on the left-hand side.
The left side. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know if he was driving it because he's saying that's his car.
Yeah, it's his car.
Still your
And he
car?
said,
So the guy right there, sitting right there, witnessed the crash, right?
yeah.
Officer.
He's saying that this guy was in the back of the car
No,
while
he
the crash
wasn't.
happened.
He wasn't.
He wasn't?
He was running after the car.
Yeah, okay.
Stolen.
Okay.
That's why the guy kept running and never came back.
Okay, I was about to say, I was like...
So wait, when was this stolen? Who's the victim? Is it this guy?
No, look at Red Shirt. Red Shirt, he's not here. Aro is other dude that's right there.
Okay.
This is his car. He was in Moonshine, dancing around, and then he left his car keys chilling, and then...
After noticing inconsistencies in Blouin's statement, along with a witness reporting that they saw him inside the vehicle, investigators reviewed security footage. Blouin originally claimed he was at Moonshine Beach when his car was stolen and crashed just before 2 a.m. However, investigators learned the bar actually closed at 12:30 a.m. Security footage shows Blouin and another off-duty officer leaving Moonshine Beach at 12:26 a.m. and walking to a different bar. At 1:47 a.m., both are seen returning to their vehicles and driving away. According to California Post records, Blouin's peace officer certification was later revoked in June 2024. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.